Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a very nutritious Dink Ladoo, perfect for winters, pregnant ladies and feeding mothers. These ladoos are packed with energy and natural warmth. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's first weigh all the ingredients to ensure perfect measurements. We start with 5 tablespoons of poppy seeds, also known as khaskhas, and 200 grams coconut powder. Roast poppy seeds and coconut powder. Poppy seeds are great for relaxation and improving sleep, while coconut gives instant energy, helps digestion, and provides healthy fats. Now roast 200 grams of sesame seeds. Sesame is excellent for winter as it provides natural warmth. It also contains calcium, which helps in bone strengthening for moms, especially after delivery. Next, roast 100 grams of pumpkin seeds and 100 grams of sunflower seeds. These seeds are rich in protein, magnesium, zinc, and iron, all essential for fetal development and also help maintain our energy levels. In ghee, roast 100 grams of ghee until it puffs up beautifully. Ghee is a powerhouse for postpartum recovery. It strengthens bones, muscles, and improves back and joint pain. It also provides body warmth, making it an excellent winter food. Now, grind the roasted seeds and ghee. We crush 200 grams each of almonds, cashews, and pista. These nuts are rich in healthy fats, omega 3, and vitamin E, improving baby's brain development and maintaining mother's energy levels. Now roast 200 grams raisins. Raisins are puffing. Raisins are rich in iron, which helps prevent anemia. Roast the dry fruits slightly in ghee for enhanced taste and nutrition. Here I have not used walnuts as I am allergic to it. If you are non-allergic, you may add that. Add the powder of 4-5 cardamoms. Cardamom help in digestion and gives beautiful aroma to our ladoos. Let's blend dates and figs, grind them into a paste. Both dates and figs help relieve constipation, give natural energy, and are rich in iron, potassium, and fiber. Now combine all ingredients with the date fig paste. For binding, you can add warm jaggery, honey, or extra ghee. Jaggery is rich in iron and also helps keep the body warm in winter. Mix well and shape them into ladoos while mixture is warm. And that's it, our nutritious Dink Ladoos are ready. These ladoos boost immunity in winter, helps in postpartum recovery, gives long-lasting energy, strengthens bones and joints. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.